Here is our Chicago sauce gift box. I'm going to show you how to assemble that. So you have to first remove this bottom piece. So I just flip it over a couple times to loosen it up. Then you can just pull it apart. Put that aside and flip it over. I start with the top and then connect the bottom, these two sides over here. Hold it with your index finger or middle finger and your thumb. Flip over that side. Now that's holding together. Now take the other side, flip those sides in, fold that over. Now you have the insert here. I like to start gangster sauce first. So I like to fold that in, gangster sauce, then fry, then fire, then Chicago. Close it down. And there you have it. Easy as that. And then you can see gangster sauce, fry, fry, fire, fire, Chicago, Chicago. There you go. There it is.